Dear traders and investors, in the first week of April 2023, we had prepared a prediction for the month of April and beginning of May 2023. Please see our published videos for all predictions and explanation. Here we will play a video in which we have recorded the development prices in SPX Mini to show the result. Just watch the screen to compare the indicator that had been calculated already for the future. In this video we will show you how good the predictions were for specific days in the future. Please note that these forecasts are calculated long before it happens, nevertheless they are spot on, exactly at the right time. The time pattern indicators clearly showed the trends up and down. You can check that we indicated a decline from around the 12th of April in the SPX index, as well as correlated markets, like Dow and DAX. The most important points were as follows. The bottom in market prices was predicted to happen in between 26th and 28th of April. Next, an uptrend would develop according to our time indicators until around May 1st. Then again a decline until the 5th of May, because the time indicators, as well as underlying time pattern combinations, showed a negative signature. Just keep on watching how the markets fluctuated and sort of listen to the indicators' directions. You can go to our website Aquila Signal to order our predictions. Use the coupon to receive a very special introductory discount of 50%, valid until 21st of May. Ordering has been renewed. Bull and bear markets acted as we. Should you encounter a problem, please let us know, so you will not miss out our offer. After the screen recording is complete, our previous video with forecasts made around 10 to 12 of April will be shown. Please subscribe if you like our work. It is for free and later on our subscribers will have access to more important videos and discounts. Thank you and see you next time. May 2023 Trading. Dear traders, the following has been written April 13th of 2023. All our forecasts are written before its time. We know the future. Simple as that. Consequently, you know what is happening before it happens and you may profit from it. Get ready for trading in time, watch the markets closely and wait for the SPX index to make its first move in the predicted trend direction. Please see our website if you like to know all trends in advance. These videos are meant to be educational, building your understanding of markets and helping your performance in trading. Please make sure to understand markets well enough before trading. Summarized for beginners, just takes a second. In general, when you expect markets to go up, you buy stocks, futures or call options. If you expect markets to decline, you sell futures, buy put options and sell stocks. Traders, we will now take a look at May 2023, in detail. This way showing you a prediction and explaining you the beginning of analyzing a chart, using our proprietary DeLorean time patterns. The last 2 weeks of April 2023 are potentially negative or even the beginning of a strong downtrend. See our April 2023 video on YouTube. Again, begin of May. Certainly the time patterns give a strong warning to manage your risks. Look at the beginning of May, which shows a detailed picture of DeLorean time trading indicator, which is calculated for Dow and SPX especially. This indicator shows already the trend moves, being direction, that will happen in the future, nearby or far away, of the SPX and Dow stock index. Other highly correlated stock indices, like DAX in Europe, will move in line with SPX and Dow. Above the indicator you see the dates of the month. The background now is, there have been meltdowns in the banking sector, there is war with Russia, the US dollar is under fire and economy could enter a severe depression. Trend directions in beginning of May are preceded by what happened in the weeks before, probably bottom around 26th to 28th of April, all part of previous time patterns. After a maybe short-lived recovery in this time frame, there is a top around 1st of May. Markets are expected to get under pressure again by negative DeLorean indicator. The first indicator, called Dow General, reflects society as whole as well as social and political circumstances. Declining indicator is a sign of crisis events ahead. The stronger the decline and the longer it stays low, the more intense a crisis could get. as is the case here. You see that it declines, trade short, while alternating ups and downs, to around the 27th 28th of April. Then a sharp recovery the 1st of May, trade long. This indicator as said connects to political, social and economic events, but also has an influence on the markets in a broad sense. The decline after 1st of May tells you that something important on the negative side is unfolding, trade short, in between May 1st and May 5th. Then after the weekend, the 8th of May it has calmed down again. In trading go long on a bottom of the indicator and short on the top of the indicator, with a bandwidth of around 1 day. Devise an entry system, as well as put stops in place to protect capital. May 1st is also a top in the DeLorean Dow Hits indicator, which comes from a low on around April 26th. Since both indicators are bottoming there, get ready to take profits. So a bottom in between 26th and 28th of April and a top on May 1st is to be expected, next bottom around 5th of May. From the high on May 1st, the DeLorean indicator declines sharply to May 5th, supported by both indicators. Notice the red bars in the chart window. There is no chart yet, since we are in the future. These bars show important clusters and are related to the general picture, events in society and such. Let's wait and see if and what events happen. Clusters in the Dow Hits, second indicator, are not depicted, but this happens around the 2nd of May 2023 and stay longer. These clusters are negative. Negative clusters normally show a potential for an important bottom. Consequently, positive clusters normally show a top. We will warn you when positive clusters will be coming, but not yet in sight. Please subscribe and like the videos. In time there will be many more, covering the future and explaining the method. Stay tuned until later. When you subscribe you will have access later on to more restricted videos and we can alert you with new, important ones. Please spread the links to your friends or anywhere. The more views the more videos can be expected. Thank you very much.